We all have dreams. Dreams that take us to far-off places. Dreams that fill our hearts with joy and excitement. We envision a life of luxury, comfort, and endless possibilities. Big houses, fancy cars, exotic vacations, the works. These are the images that often come to mind when we think about success and fulfillment. But what if I told you there's a way to achieve those dreams without breaking a sweat? Imagine being able to work from anywhere, at any time, and still make a substantial income. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, making it easier than ever to make money online. From freelancing to e-commerce, the opportunities are endless. It's the ultimate fantasy, getting rich while lounging in your pajamas. No more long commutes, no more rigid schedules, just you, your laptop, and the freedom to work on your own terms. The allure of easy riches is strong. The idea of making money with minimal effort is incredibly tempting. But is it really that simple? Who wouldn't want to earn passive income while sipping cocktails on a beach? The dream of financial freedom and a life of leisure is a powerful motivator. But is it really that simple? Can anyone just jump online and start making money effortlessly? The truth is, while the internet offers incredible opportunities, it also requires dedication, strategy, and a willingness to learn. Let's dive in and explore the world of online income for the effortlessly ambitious. We'll uncover the secrets to making money online, the tools you'll need, and the mindset required to succeed. The truth is, there are ways to make money online without becoming a coding whiz or marketing guru. You don't need to be a tech genius to succeed in the digital world. It's about working smarter, not harder. Leveraging the right tools, platforms, and strategies can make all the difference. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace the digital hustle, buckle up. The journey to financial freedom and a life of your dreams starts now. Let's get started. Let's be real, the internet is awash with get-rich-quick schemes. Flashy ads promise instant wealth with minimal effort. But are those promises too good to be true? Spoiler alert, they usually are. The truth is, building sustainable online income takes time and effort. There's no magic button for instant riches. Anyone who tells you otherwise is probably trying to sell you something. However, don't despair. There are legitimate ways to generate online income without needing years of experience or expensive training. It's about finding the right opportunities that align with your interests and require minimal effort. Imagine waking up to find money magically deposited into your account. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. That's the beauty of passive income, earning money even while you sleep. Passive income streams require some upfront effort to set up, but once they're running, they generate income with minimal ongoing work. This is the dream for anyone who values their free time. There are tons of passive income opportunities in 2025. From affiliate marketing to selling digital products, the possibilities are endless. We'll explore some of these in detail later. Ever told a friend about an amazing product you love? Imagine getting paid every time someone buys that product based on your recommendation. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products you genuinely believe in. You simply share your unique affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. You're simply connecting buyers with great products and getting rewarded for it. Cashing in on creativity, turning your passions into profits. Are you a talented writer, photographer, or artist? The internet provides endless platforms to monetize your creativity. From selling stock photos to creating online courses, you can turn your passions into a profitable side hustle. Platforms like Etsy allow you to sell handmade goods and digital designs. If writing is your forte, consider freelance writing or creating ebooks. Remember, the key is to focus on your strengths and interests. What comes naturally to you? How can you share your talents with the world and get paid for it? Section 6. The world of online surveys and microtasks. Small efforts, real rewards. Want to earn extra cash in your spare time? Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to make a bit of extra money, online surveys and microtasks can be a great solution. Online surveys and microtasks offer a simple way to do just that. These tasks are often quick and easy, requiring minimal effort and time. You can do them while watching TV, during your commute, or even while relaxing in the park. While not a get-rich-quick scheme, these platforms allow you to earn rewards by completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, or testing websites. The key is consistency and choosing the right platforms that offer the best rewards for your time. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk connect you with businesses looking for help with short tasks. These tasks can range from data entry to content moderation, and even simple research projects. Though earnings per task are small, they can add up over time, especially if you're consistent. Imagine earning a few extra dollars each day. It might not seem like much, but over a month or a year, it can make a significant difference. This is a great option for those seeking a low-effort way to earn extra income during downtime. It's flexible, allowing you to work whenever and wherever you want. So next time you have a few minutes to spare, why not try an online survey or a micro-task? You might be surprised at how quickly those small efforts can lead to real rewards. Section 7. The rise of the reseller. Flipping for profit in the digital marketplace. Have an eye for a good deal? Become a master reseller. Online platforms like eBay, Depop, and Poshmark have made it easier than ever to buy and sell goods for profit. Browse online marketplaces for undervalued items, purchase them, and resell them at a higher price. This could involve anything from vintage clothing to electronics. Remember, good photography and compelling descriptions are key to attracting buyers. With a bit of effort, you can turn your online reselling side hustle into a lucrative venture. Section 8. The Lazy Person's Guide to Success. Consistency is key. The secret sauce to online success, even for the laziest among us, is consistency. It's not about working yourself to the bone, but rather about showing up consistently, even if it's just for a short time each day. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to your chosen online venture. Whether it's writing a blog post, engaging on social media, or researching affiliate products, small, consistent actions yield significant results over time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch your online income steadily grow. Section 9. Embrace the digital hustle, making your dreams a reality in 2025. The digital age offers unprecedented opportunities to achieve financial freedom. With the rise of remote work, freelancing, and online businesses, the barriers to entry have never been lower. You can now work from anywhere, whether it's a cozy cafe, a serene park, or even your own backyard. While there's no magic bullet for instant riches, there are plenty of accessible and low-effort ways to make money online in 2025. From affiliate marketing and dropshipping to content creation and online tutoring, the possibilities are vast and varied. Whether you're seeking passive income streams or simply want to earn extra cash in your spare time, the opportunities are endless. Imagine earning money while you sleep through automated systems or monetizing your hobbies and passions. Explore your interests, leverage your strengths, and embrace the digital hustle. The key is to find what resonates with you and aligns with your skills. Don't be afraid to experiment and pivot as you discover what works best for you. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Continuous improvement and adaptation are crucial in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Take advantage of online courses, webinars, and communities to stay ahead of the curve. With dedication and a sprinkle of digital savvy, you can turn your online income dreams into a reality. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So, take the first step today and start building the future you desire.